Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Grace Tutor, and what I do here is solve technical drawing problems, and I also provide very important information that you can use to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. And we are still working on 2021 GCE question on mechanical drawing. So you have seen the work that I've done here. I've produced the isometric view of the two parts given, part A and part B, and we have also assembled and we have produced the sectional view, as you can see here. So right now we want to answer question B, that says that this is question A. So question B says that we should draw the plan. So after we have assembled the parts together, we have to draw the plan as we have here. So we have to draw the plan after we have assembled. So this is the assembling, and we have produced the sectional view of that. So don't forget that when it's come to the drawing of the plan, so we are not looking at the section, we are looking at the complete view of the two components as I've done here. So let me show you. This is part A, so part A, and this is part B. So part A, so we are going to put part A. Part A enters into this, and this surface here, it rests on this surface here. So the hole, this hole, so it enters into this cylindrical part, and also this recess that we have here, it enters into this part, and then so we have the complete object, or the assembling of the two objects together. So what we want to do now is to produce the plan, that when we are looking at the assembling from the top down, so what will be the look of the plan of the assembly. So that's what we want to do here right now. So now, looking at what we have here, so what I just need to do here is that I need to draw a vertical line from here down. From this point, I will produce a vertical line down here, and from this point here, so from this point I will also draw a vertical line. From this point I will draw a vertical line like this, and then so from this point on the web, so here I will draw a vertical line. So I still need to extend it down here. So we extend it down here, and from this point also I will draw a vertical line. So from this point I will draw a vertical line like this, and from this end I will also draw a vertical line like this. So also from this point I will draw a vertical line from here on this line, and here also I will draw a vertical line, and here I will draw a vertical line like this, and here I will draw a vertical line here. So I will come here to draw a vertical line. So here also I will draw a vertical line, and then here I will draw a vertical line here. Okay, so I also need to draw a vertical line at this center like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so I may need to extend this. So based on what we are doing, let me do that behind the scene. All right, so with what I've done here, I will come up a bit and I will draw a horizontal line like this. So the length, so for the width, so this is the length, which is 140. So for the width, so the width here, as we have here, the width here is 90 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 90 millimeters. So I have to take that 90 millimeters. So 90 millimeters from here. So this is 90. So I would divide 90 by 2. That is 45. So that's going to be a center line. So here I will draw a horizontal line to this side like this. Then I will draw a center line here because of what I'm going to put here in the middle here. So I'll draw a center line here. Okay, so let's take the parts one by one. I'll be showing you that with the use of the isometric views of the object that I've drawn. All right, we are going to start with part B. So part B, we are going to start with some part of part B because part A it has entered here and is standing on part B. So we are going to see this rectangle here. We are going to see this rectangle. So I'm going to draw this rectangle, and then we are going to see this line. We are going to see this line, and this line we are going to see it. So this is inside part A. This cylindrical part is inside part A, and we are going to see this part. We are going to see this. Okay, don't let me say we are going to see it yet. Don't let me say we are going to, because I think part A is going to cover these holes and the hole that we have here. So part A is going to cover it, though we may need to show it as hidden part, but let's see what is going to be. So let us produce this rectangle here, and then not only this, then we also see this rectangle here. We see this rectangle, and that is the line that I've drawn here. So for part A, this is the rectangle, and for part B, this is the rectangle. For part B, we are going to see the rectangle. So let me do that, and then I will come and draw the web. So let me do that now. So all I need to do here now is to make this line thick. So this will be a thick line from here to here. So this will also be a thick line like this. Here I will have another thick line. So here I have another thick line from here to here. Then, so let me make this thick at once, like this. Okay. So I also thicken this line from here to here. Okay. Now, so next thing is we are going to see this web. So this web is going to be on which is on part A. So we are going to see it here. So distance from here to here. So is the length of the web, which is 45 millimeters, but the width of the web is 12 millimeters. So I will just come to the center here. So I will take a measurement of 6 millimeters down and 6 millimeters up, and I will draw a horizontal line from this point. So I will draw this horizontal line. So let me make it thick at once. So horizontal line from here to here, and I will also draw horizontal line from here to here. So that is the web. So the web is a rectangle on top of part B, part A as we have here. So the next thing I'm going to draw is that I'm going to draw this part on part B. So it's going to give us, so this part on part A, this part on part A. So it's going to give us a rectangle. Then the cylindrical hole, or the circular or the cylindrical hole, will be hidden in the plan. So we are going to show it hidden there. So let me show you what we have there. So distance from here to here. So let's see the distance in the main drawing. So distance from this point to this point is 50 millimeters. So I'll just come here. I'll come here. Okay, so this is the end of it. So this line is the end of it. So I'll just come to the midpoint here. Come to the midpoint here. So I'll take a measurement of 25 millimeters down and 25 millimeters up. So then here I will draw horizontal line. So I need to make it thick at once. So this is it. I'll make it thick at once. So it ends here. Okay. Then I'll come up here, and also I will draw from here to here. Then I will make it thick at once. So this is it. Then for the cylindrical part that we see on part B, which is hidden in the plan. So the diameter is 24 millimeters. That means the radius is 12 millimeters. So I'm going to take 12 millimeters from here. So, and I will also take 12 millimeters, so making 24. So here I will now draw short dashes line. Don't forget that it enters into this rectangle of part A. So I'll just make it draw short dashes line here like this. Okay, so it ends here. So then I will also come up here and I will draw it. Don't forget that we are drawing the plan as seen from the top down. All right, so that is for the cylindrical part that we see in part B. So it is hidden in part A as we have here. It is hidden in part A as we have here. So this is the cylindrical part on part B, but in part A, so in the plan, it will be hidden from us. We can't see it outside. So all right, so the next thing we are going to do is that as this part A is sitting on part B, so by the time we place them on each other, so this line, so we are going to see this line and we are going to see this line, so thick. So and then, so we are going to see this line, so this line will be a thick line, so it has rested on this. So this will be a thick line. So we are going to make this line now. So from here to here, I will make it a thick line. From here to here, to be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line, like this. And then, so this will be a thick line. So it will be a thick line. So another thing that we are going to put here is that by the time this resets, it enters into this projection here, it will be hidden from us. So this point will be hidden and this point will be hidden from us. We have to show it in the plan. So distance from here to here, so distance from here to here is 40 millimeters. The total distance from here to here is 90. So from here to here is 40. That means from here to here is 25. From here to here is 25. So this point here now. So this point, so let us take that. So we come here from this point here. So I will take 20 millimeters down and 20 millimeters up like this. So 20 millimeters up like this. So so I'm going to draw this. So it will be a hidden line. So it will be hidden from here. So we draw it. But let me check something here in the. So as we have here, so it is okay. It stops at this end. On part A, it stops at this end. So that means we have to draw that hidden line. So it goes to this end or stops there, and then we'll draw this one. So it goes like this. So it stops here. Okay, so that is that part. So what we have just done now is that we have drawn the line at this point. But what about the line at this point, as we have that this line is inclined at an angle 60 degree to the horizontal, and I said that in the plan, so the line at this point will be hidden from us. It will be hidden from us. So how can we get that out? This is what you need to do. So all you need to do here, just come out like this, then draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line. So I have horizontal line here. So as we have here, so I will take a measurement of 12 millimeters up as I've explained. So in other work that I did on this, that the distance from that point down is 12 millimeters. So I will draw a horizontal line to this side. Then I will take my 60 degree set square because this inclined at an angle 60 degree. So 60 degree. So I put at this point and I will draw a line in this direction. So now, so distance from here to here, distance from this point to this point, so it will give us what we need. So all I need to do is to take my compass. So I will take the distance from here to here. So distance from here to here, like this, and I will put it at this point here. So put it at this point. I will make an arc here. I need to take it easy. So make an arc here. Then I will also put it here at this point, and I will make an arc here. All right, so it is hidden. So we also show it hidden here. So I will draw it. So from here, oh, so I'm supposed to use short dashes line. All right, so I need to make it short dashes line. So I'm trying to make it proper. So it goes down to this point. So up here I will do the same thing. All right, so all this line, so I will need to draw horizontal lines to this side, because you have one question, I will need to make use of this part. So let's see the other things that we have to put in the plan. So next thing that we are going to put here, we have these holes. There are 4 in number. We have 2 on this side and we have 2 on this side, and they are hidden from us because part A will have seated on them. So it is seated on them, so it has covered them. So we want to put them there, so we need to show it hidden, or show them hidden there. So as we have here in the end elevation of part B, so we have that the distance from here to total distance from here to here is 90. So this distance from this point to the center line of the hole here is 12 millimeters. The same thing applies to this. And for this counter bore, so the diameter is 16 millimeters, and for the hole, the diameter is 10 millimeters. So we have to show them hidden here. So what I'm going to do now is that I will take a measurement of 12 millimeters from this end. So this is 12 millimeters. So to this point, and then I will take 12 millimeters down here. So this is 12 millimeters. So here I will draw horizontal center line. So I'll do the same thing here. So horizontal center line here. Okay, so looking at what we have here, so we have the center here. So this is the center. So this is center, and then so here we have this center. So I'm going to draw for the counter bore. So the radius is 8 millimeters. Radius is 8 millimeters. So I may need to okay, so I will take 8 millimeters here. So I put at this point. So I'm going to make it so it is to be hidden. Okay. So for the counter bore, so this is how we are going to have it. So see, this is something that requires patience. So you have to be patient when you are doing this. You have to be patient. Sorry. All right, so then we also have to do it on this side. So I will do this is I've done this and you have seen it. I will do it here also. All right, so I've drawn the two the holes. So the first one or the bigger one is for the counter bore, and the inner one or the smaller one is for the hole. So we have them hidden as part A is sitting on part B. So that makes it to cover the holes as you can see here. So this is the plan. So the next question is on the right hand elevation. So we meet on that. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching. God bless you.